Okay, Peter here from Comfort Zone Insulation. I'm just doing a roof inspection here on a job that had cellulose fibre done during the grant, and it's actually, I'd say it's a lot better than a lot of the jobs I've seen. But you see all those joist tops all the way down there. Well, have a look here. This joist is actually just under 100 millimeters, and you really need 100 millimeters to get your R3.5, and that there is, I don't know whether you can see, but it's just up to the top of my knuckle there, and so that's only about 50 millimeters there. Now that's about that through a lot of this part of the job, and that's where you can see the joists all the way along here. So it's about 50 millimeters in a lot of that space. Up in the rest of the roof, it was actually pretty good. Up in this little tight bit at the end, it seems like they've maybe put a little bit less in. So because you can see these joists here, it doesn't look like much, but it's the difference between it being at R2 or R3, or R1 and R3 in some places. So you see the joists all the way around, and actually see those corners over there. See how that corner there doesn't have any in it. All the way through in that corner behind the light doesn't have any, right? So that could do with being fixed up, and this corner over here, it's just a bit of inexperience on the installer's part, I think, that they couldn't get into those corners properly. Right, over there, it's hard to see that one, but these bays here are light as well. You see that? We shouldn't be able to see that much timber around those bays. So anyway, I'm going to recommend a bit of a top up in this end here, and we're going to fix up all the downlights and things. Alright, thanks very much. Bye.